Exploring the Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator. The Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator offers various options to manipulate overlapping objects in creative and efficient ways. Here is a close look at some of the key features within the Pathfinder panel. Unite. The Unite option allows you to merge selected objects into a single shape seamlessly. How to use: select the objects you want to merge. Then click the Unite command. The selected objects will combine instantly with all overlapping sections unified into one shape. Minus front. The minus front option removes the front object from the back object, leaving only the underlying shape. How to use: select the objects and click the minus front command. The front object is removed, revealing only the remaining back shape. Intersect. The Intersect option retains only the overlapping areas of a selected object. How to use: select the object and click on the Intersect command. Instantly, all non-overlapping areas are removed, leaving only the intersected portion. Exclude. The Exclude option removes the overlapping areas, leaving only the non-overlapping sections of the selected objects. How to use: select the objects, then click the Exclude command. The overlapping parts are deleted, preserving only the separate, non-overlapping areas of the objects. Design challenge of the day. Use the polygon tool to create a polygon shape. Go to the Effects menu, hover over Distort and Transform, and select Pucker and Bloat. In the pop-up window, adjust the Pucker and Bloat slider to 82%. Once you are satisfied with the effects, click OK to apply it. Draw a little circle in the middle section of the flower. Reposition it and change the color to white. You can explore further by using the minus front option to trim the inner parts of the object. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.